All right, problem number 10. This time we have an equation for circumference of a circle, and we just want to solve for a variable. So we have capital C equals 2 times pi times r. So we want to solve for r. We want to get r by itself. R is being multiplied times 2 and pi. So to get rid of those, we have to divide by 2 and pi on both sides. Divided by 2 and pi. Now this is case sensitive, so 2 divided by 2 is 1 and pi divided by pi is 1, so they just divide out. And so we get C divided by 2 pi is equal to r. That's all you have to do. You don't have to solve and get a numeric answer. We're just trying to get an expression or get our equation in terms of r. Again, it is case sensitive. I think you want to put that capital C. I'm going to do division bar, capital C, and then 2, and then you got to get the keyboard to get the pi symbol. So you pull up the keyboard and find pi. Why am I looking around and not seeing it? There we go, right there. Okay. Alright, so we have another one. This looks like a velocity or physics equation maybe. But we're going to do the same thing. We're just going to solve for a variable. We're going to solve for a. So this time we have b squared equals, this is called v naught, or initial value v naught squared, like a starting value, and that's sub-0, and then plus 2ax. And we want to solve for a. We want a by itself. Alright, so first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to move the v naught over. I'm going to subtract v naught from both sides. You can say v squared sub-0. And then what I'm going to get is I'm going to have v squared minus v naught squared. Sounds weird. V squared and v naught squared. It's actually v squared naught, or however you want to say that. And it also sounds funny when you say sub-0. Think of Mortal Kombat. But anyway, we got v squared minus v naught squared, and then that is equal to, that goes away, 2ax. And now since we want a by itself, we got to get rid of the 2 and the x. So we're going to divide by 2x on both sides. Divide by 2x. This cancels, or divides out to be 1. And so we have v squared minus v naught squared all over 2x is equal to a. And so this will be our expression. So a is equal to, I'm going to push backslash to get a division bar, and then I'm going to need the keypad for those shortcuts. I'm going to type v. I'm going to type a v. And then we need to raise it to a power. This one right here, a new square, and then minus, I'm going to do v squared, and I'm also going to do a subscript. Oh, never mind, I can't do that. They have a v naught down here, so do that v naught, and then we're going to do squared. They have it down there already. Alright, arrow down.